Okay, what's up, guys? It's Wednesday, 8th July. FOMC meeting minutes in 5 minutes. It's gonna be about future monetary policy in USA for the dollar. It's going to be also about rate cuts in the future, how the new chairman see actual year 2026. So if this is conference, maybe we can't see explosive move just at 8 p.m. Maybe we need to wait a bit more time because conference hold for some time. So until Kevin Walsh said something important, maybe we can't see any significant move. What's up, Robert? How you doing? Let's look at the chart. Gold hit buys zone at 5 p.m. and now waiting for the FOMC. It's interesting because gold is not consolidate for whole day like I expect yesterday. It just hit the zone before the FOMC and now it's waiting. Oh, I'm also back to home not that long time ago. I was visit mechanic with my car, visit the service. So 30-minute chart, 1 hour, 15 minutes. Will be nice if we close above. I'm in buys from the zone, so let's see if that zone hold or not. What's up, Christian? What happened with your car? It's something with gear. Dollar didn't touch the zone. I still want to see dollar to tap the lower zone. Maybe reaction to the downside and reversal. We'll see. Gold 4 hour. Oh, look at this volume on the FXCM. Oh, and also big wick to the downside. 78 fib is here, exactly on the 4K. Yeah, we don't need to be nervous. It's just 8 p.m. now, but this is the conference, so we need to wait more time, something like a half hour, to see the significant move, to be honest. I'm in buys inside the zone, and we'll see what happens. 15-minute break of structure will be nice here. If we do 15 minutes break of structure, I'm going with fibs and go 15 minutes break of structure, good confirmation. But like I said, entry should be inside the zone, so if you are not in, maybe wait for the pullback and go. Maybe wait for the candle close above and then play fibs. There is a lot of scenarios, but OG scenario was there. I was busy till afternoon. When I look at the chart, I got the buy limit at 40.40. They didn't tap me, so I just delayed the buy limit, and I was play 3 minutes here. Should I go break even? Yes, I guess. I come on trade at 49. A little bit late because I was working. I already moved SL to break even. You playing here or here? Okay, you just jump when market starts explosive move to the upside. Yeah, stop break even or stop below this low, and we'll see. There is EMA 20 coming to tap the 1 hour candle. It's not looking super good for now. Magic line here, dump. I want to see 1 hour head and shoulders pattern. I just jumped when I saw 15 minutes candle BOS inside the zone, and I jump after it on next candle. Yeah, if you are busy and you are at work, you can just use pending order, same as me. Yeah, 15 minutes break of structure, pretty clean. I'm start using pending orders when I'm busy. It's lazy stuff of trading. Pending are also good for Asia. In the past, I'm telling you how to use pending order. Let's say if your lot size is I don't know your lot size, but you can cut it for free position. Let's say your lot size is 0.3. So 0.1 here. That's the pending order style. In the middle. Yeah, somewhere here. And somewhere around the bottom, you know. You can just increase this position, this. Just cut it for the free parts. So overall, you join 0.3 like always, but you cut your stop loss because your normal size here, then stop loss from the second position is smaller, so you lose less, and stop for the third position is also lower, so you lose very small kind of position, and overall it gives you less loss when you just open 0.3 at the top. Yeah, it's also scenario when market just tapped at 0.1 and go, but it is what it is. I believe nothing happened in the next 20 minutes, maybe. I don't know how long that conference should be, maybe 1 hour, maybe a bit less. I believe 30 minutes to 1 hour that conference can be. Yeah, if you play 0.3 here, let's say you play normal position, you saw the BOS, you enter, your stop 0.3 is here or something, 0.5, I don't know. You always need to calculate your stop loss size because it can change when you open here. No, lot size can change depends on your stop loss size. But let's say your normal stop is something around 0.3. So for the pending order style, you can open at the top 0.1. Of course, calculate it, because maybe it's gonna be not 0.3 but 0.25. So you cut it for the 3 positions. And all of them should give you your normal stop loss size, your normal risk. I used to use pending when I have no time for looking at the chart. Even if I'm mark the alert, sometimes you can set the alert, but the alert notification you, but maybe you still don't have a time to do anything. So pending orders are good for it. Also, pending orders are good for the Tokyo, because I believe a lot of people from Europe sleeping during Tokyo. So when we get the analysis yesterday, sell zone and buy zone, maybe you can put your pending here. Put your pending here and go to sleep, you know. If you have some question about pending orders style, pending orders management, and things around it, you can just send your question. We have a time, we had zone, gold already hit it. If you are not in any position, yeah, maybe you were busy or something like that. Just wait for the pullback or breakout and pullback. Don't rush gold here. Yesterday we got the sell zone, buy zone. I told you guys I'm sitting on my hands and I'm shift into patient mode. I'm not pressing anything. I'm just waiting for the zone. One of these, I said I'm going to sell here and I'm going to buy here. I'm already in buys and that's it. When you have a zone, you don't need to do anything, just wait for it. If market miss your zone, you can reanalyze. It's not hard, and overall trading is hard enough to complicate it by yourself. As easy as you can do it, just do it. And pending orders. Pending orders can be also good for the emotional guys. Because when you feel FOMO and you're waiting for the break of structure pattern, maybe you can go in too quickly or too aggressive. And pending orders just do your job. You don't need to press anything. There is not one super strategy, one super rule for the traders. Everything can be profitable. It depends more about your emotion. Just compare the strategy to yourself. Which strategy you feel most comfortable, then use that strategy. Okay, let's check the other assets. I can't see any question for the pending orders. So let's check another assets. What are they doing? Dollar. Oh, dollar retry is hit the sell zone from yesterday and running down. And that's pretty funny because I do the same analysis 10 minutes ago. So let's say dollar for pending. Or here. Dollar for normal position. That was 4 hour. Yeah, that was 4 hour structure. With 4 hour structure we need 15 minutes break of structure or minimum 5 minutes. Let's check it. No BOS here, BOS here, but swept, and BOS again. So you see, if you wait for the 15 minutes break of structure here, you will be swept first time, second time. If you play pending, stop above the zone and go. Even after the break of structure, I'm usually play stop above the zone. If zone is not that super big, I'm always play above or below the zone. It doesn't matter if this is break of structure, entry, pending orders, or engulfing volume. It doesn't matter. If zone is not that big, I'm usually play stop above or below the zone. If zone is really big and it doesn't fit good with my risk to reward, I'm playing just above or below the low or above the high. It depends on the zone size. That zone was not that big, so first break of structure here, I will play it like this. And it's gonna give me almost 1 to 3. Let's look at 5 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes was better. Yeah, 5 minutes bit better. That's how I'm playing the zones, and that's how I'm positioned my stop loss. Silver break even. And hit the buy zone. So silver is still inside the buy zone. You know, something like that. S&P hit the buy zone and react to the upside. So patient pay. Patient pay. Don't need to press anything here, just waiting for the zone. So gold tap the zone and react. Dollar tap the zone and react. Silver is still inside the zone. S&P tap the zone and react. Euro is still patient. GBP break out the zone, so discard. Or I will leave it, maybe that was like sweep. But I'm not touching GBP for sure. CHF tap the zone and react. You see, sweep that line and react. First reaction here, second reaction here. Bitcoin, I don't want to talk much about Bitcoin because it's annoying me inside this. Bitcoin annoying me, I'm staying away from Bitcoin. And oil is still inside the zone, tap the top of the zone, and it's about go to the downside. I believe that oil is in the great position to short. One to 2.5 here, 1 to 4.5 at the full target. We also got that zone. We need patience to go into the zone, and now we can react. Same for every asset. Patient and nothing more. Trading is not working like okay, I want to make some money, so I open MT5 and I'm going to open the position instantly. It's not working like that. You can open the chart, make the analysis, draw your zone, let's say that it's just an example. You made analysis, you made zone, and depends on you, pending order or or normal break of structure pattern, or engulfing candle, engulfing volume. It doesn't matter what type of entry you used. Engulfing candle, engulfing volume. It doesn't matter what kind of the entry you use, because between your zone and candles is the distance, and that distance is a time. This is the time to pass until market step into the zone. When market step into the zone, you can just look at the price action. You can use break of structure or engulfing candles, or if you are lazy or you are busy, you can just put pending order and do nothing, But waiting for the zone is key, because when you draw the zone but go for the 2-minute time frame like this, okay, what happened here? We break that high. Let's buy it. Trading is not working like that. We need to zoom out, do the analysis, draw the zone, and wait. Because today is a great example of what I'm talking usually. Talking about patient. Dollar, step into the zone. Gold, step into the zone. Silver, also. S&P, also. Euro is still patient. GU, if you play pending order, yeah, GU can wreck you, but I'm said GU is inside the zone, but I'm stay away from GU, because GU not looking good inside the zone. So you can draw the zone, but you're looking for the price action inside the zone. If you didn't feel the price action, if you doesn't have your confirmation, just leave it. Zone doesn't mean you need to do something. Zone means if you see right pattern, then you can do something. When you didn't see anything inside the zone, just leave it. Swiss franc also tapped the zone and about to melt. Bitcoin tapped the zone and wrecked me 3 times, so I'm done with you, Bitcoin. And oil is inside the zone. Let the market comes to you. And if you learn patient on the market with trading, it can also influence your life. So double payout. Gains on the market by the patient, and be patient guy in real life is also good. Market is not moving. It's 30 minutes after FOMC meeting minutes, but market is not moving. This is trading. What is this? Trading also. I want to see trading, back in trading, come on. Six months ago. I can't find FOMC meeting minutes live stream from the conference. There is a lot of traders. Federal Reserve, but they are not streaming now. They just adding video after. That was after the speech. This channel is literally useless. What I gain after the speech. Speech is important on for the live data, not after. People don't need listen to Jerome Powell or Kevin Walsh after they stop talking. We need to see them live. Oh, there is some. No, 2 months ago. Yeah, there is also live trading. So maybe if some of you can find a link for the live conference, I can open it on the stream. If not, we can't see what are they talking about. We only know it's gonna be about monetary policy, but how they see it, we don't know, because we doesn't have live data. Point of control is here. Let's see what happened. Last time FOMC was also boring, no? When was last time about the meetings? '20th May? No, I mean previous, in last month. We got the conference also. War speech, that's not it. It's not here. Oh yeah, press conference. 17th June. Ah, no, they do something last time. Okay. They do something last time. Move down, pull back, continuation. They do something last time. This time, nothing. Nothing. Nothing happened. May 20th. Same event. 20 May. I got you. Yeah, and 20 May, it do nothing. 1 hour candles. Start of the event here. Chopping to the upside. And chopping for the rest of the week. Yeah. Last time after that event, the market just chopping till end of the week. So let's see what happened today. We have some time. You can ask whatever you want. I'm going to sit here something like at 25 minutes. If nothing happen in next 20 to 30 minutes, we finish the stream, but we can talk about everything. Maybe you have a problem with something. We can break it down on the live now. And maybe it's going to be better on the live analysis than when you write to me. No one wants to talk today? Dollar melt for the lower zone for buys. Finally, pretty clean analysis for this week. Every single asset tapped the zone. Expect euro because euro is still waiting, and GU is just chopping inside the zone. And when we were here, I just told you I'm not touching GU because GU not looking good. And that was good decision because GU wants to push higher. So not touching GU, great decision, even if GU come to the zone. Let me look at the futures. That gaps are insane between candles. Everyday gap. Oh no, and the gaps only after the weekend. Will be nice to run above this daily high. If we break up this high here, don't be excited, it's gonna be reversal or something, because when daily goes like this, this is the counter trend. This is not the reversal pattern. It's gonna be the counter trend. And if daily goes like that, I want to sell it. But if we break it to the upside, yeah, go. And reversal pattern is if we do the low, lower low, and higher high. That's the reversal pattern. Higher high after lower low. We made it here probably. I don't know. No, higher than the previous. We got the bigger pullback out of the 50% fib and out of the trap candle here. Trap candle. Daily step into it and do the bigger pullback for the 4-hour range. We tap the 61 to 78 for the 4-hour range. So now buys, and maybe that zone can be discard soon. Maybe that zone can be discard. I want to see price action inside this zone. For now, I'm not super confident it's gonna be the sell zone, because bigger pullback come here. This is the bigger pullback. If you are really shift for bulls, that was the bigger pullback. I expect go here and then do bigger pullback, but daily decides to tap 0.5 fib, reject by the trap candle, and pull back. So maybe we can discard this zone, because when I see actual structure, I think that zone didn't give us bigger sells. You play today's zone, it was 4-hour range, so should we play after 15 minutes break of structure, right? Right. But I play 3 minutes. 15 minutes here, break of structure. Also here and here, I guess. But when we deep below this volume into the zone, I was feel super confident, so I was not waiting for the 15 minutes. Kevin Walsh start talking something important. "15 minutes breakout, cool, and fly. Now fly." Will be funny if we just go for 61 to 78 and sell off. I hope not. I played 3 minutes here today. That was liquidity, double bottom, price deep into the zone, and I just don't wait for the 15 minutes because volatility was pretty big. One candle, 100 pips on one candle, 3 minutes. That was also 100 pips. When the market print big candles with high volume, sometimes if you wait for the break of structure with the rules, market can be far away and your stop loss can be super big. When markets print big candles, go one time frame down, maybe for the 5 minute, and look at the 5 minute. 5 minutes super clean. GG, 1 to 4 now. For the 4 hours, for the 4-hour range, 15 minutes is good, 5 minutes usually is minimum. For the 1 hour, 5 minutes is good, and 1 minute till 3 minutes is it's also option. When we play daily, 1 hour is good, but 15 minutes also is good. When you play weekly, 4 hour is good, but 1 hour also can be option. When volatility is high, just go one time frame down. If you feel price can be far away, if you play the normal time frame with rules. So let's make it clean. Let's mark it as in school. Or I just one. Oh, I do A and B. You can screenshot it. It's very important, so do this screenshot and you never mess again. Option A is always the strongest confirmation, but option B also can be a opportunity. And we swimming in deep water, you know, so sometimes when big fish step in and volatility is big, maybe you can look at the option B, because with option A market can be far away. Let me know if this is clean for you. And we back to the chart. I'm going to copy paste it for the Discord. It tapped 61. Don't tell me we're going down. Ah, 1 hour God touch by the EMA 20. Want to see 15-minute close above this line, like a full candle, body, open and close above. Two minutes to close. Gold is still expanding, so don't be merry with that zone. Wait for the downside price action. Because when market is expanding to the upside, we can go a bit more and then start pullback. So you need to refresh your fibs and zone will be different. Much different, you see? When market push higher, maybe zone can be like that. But for now it's here. Yeah, maybe some reaction now to the downside or after hit that box. I'm not saying we're going for the reversal and new low and something like that. I mean maybe pullback. Maybe pullback out of this zone. I'm not playing sells. I'm still holding buys. I'm still holding buys. And to be honest, I want to see daily high tapped out of this zone. I really want to see moon. I want to see price here overall. 4,345. I want to see price here. Maybe it can give small pullback after hit that box, but overall I'm bull. That can be only opportunity for the guys who are still not in, but not for the sell, for the buys. If market react to the downside, draw your fib 0.5 to 78. Why 0.5? Because when market is expanding really hard, it usually miss 61. It's usually hitting 0.5 between 61 and go up. So patient. Maybe if markets start going down from here, you can put your fib like this, 0.5 to 78, draw the box, When price hit the box, buys. I'm delayed this zone to not mess because I'm not selling. Wait for the price action and mark up your fib. I will monitor the price till end of the day, so around 2 hours from now. When we start going down, I'm just send you fib levels. So no worries. For now, patient mode. Okay, market is slow. It's not super exciting. Market is that news was nothing like excite. It moved pretty slow. So no need to do anything now. Just wait, like always. Let me know if there is some question. I believe we are about to finish. We talk about few things today. We talk about the patient, about pending orders, about zones. We look at the last analysis from yesterday. And now it's again patient. So a few minutes for the question, three minutes, something like that, and we finish. Okay guys, I can't see any question. I'm just repeat. If gold start going down, you can draw your FIB from swing low to swing high. Maybe it can be here, maybe it can be a bit higher. Then draw your box from 0.5 to 78 and wait for the price action inside, or this is end of the day, so you can put your pending for the Tokyo, you know, put the pendings like I teach you today. And go ahead. Okay guys, thank you for being here with me today. I can't see any question. Christian said all clear. Nice to hear it. We see again tomorrow. Yeah, it's Wednesday. We see again tomorrow, like always, 5 p.m. Central European time. I hope you get some value from today's session. Be patient and we see tomorrow. Bye bye.